Hi, in this brief tutorial I'll be going over how you can book your in-person browsing and borrowing and virtual browsing appointments. You can either navigate through our website, oceansidelibrary.com, and find the link, or you can go straight to picktime.com/oceansidelibraryny. When you come to the page, you'll see a welcome message. The welcome message gives you the hours of the appointment times, information about the services, and information and requirements for entering the building. Once you've read this, you can click the X. Here on the left it says Book Appointment and Services. If you'd like to go ahead and book appointment, you'll start at Book Appointment. If you want to take a moment to view what the services are and the details of those services, you can click Services and it gives you the information here. To book the appointment, we'll start with in-person browsing and borrowing for the adult section only. You'll choose the service. You'll choose a team member. There's slots 1, 2, 3, and 4. You'll start with slot 1. And then once you select your slot, you'll choose a date. So you'll find a date. I'll use Wednesday, September 9th. You will select the time you wish to have your appointment for, and you'll fill out the form. When filling out the form, your first name, last name, and phone number are all required fields. You can optionally put in your email address. I recommend you do so because you will get a very nice confirmation email sent to your inbox that would serve as a good reminder. You only need to fill out your library card number if you're booking for a virtual browsing appointment. You can also add in any other additional booking notes if you would like. Once you've filled out the form, you'll select Book Appointment. You can either book another appointment or visit our 411 page for more up-to-date information about what's going on at the library. I'm going to go back and book another appointment. If we did in-person browsing and borrowing again, and I selected slot 1 for Wednesday, September 9th, you'll see that the 10:30 time slot that I've booked has now disappeared. So if a time slot is not showing up, that means that it has already been booked. If I came in and someone else had booked that 10:30 time slot, but I still needed 10:30 on that same day, I could just go back to the slots, choose a new slot, select the day again, and see if that 10:30 time slot is available, and go on from there. For a children's appointment, it's a little bit simpler because there is only one family allowed in the children's room per 30-minute time slot. So I would select in-person browsing and borrowing children's, family appointment, select the date, and go from there. To book a virtual appointment, it's the same thing. Keep in mind that the virtual browsing is only available on Tuesdays. So I would select the service, the team member's virtual browsing, and when I select the date, I would have to make sure that I chose a Tuesday. Otherwise, there are no slots available. Select the time, and fill out the form. And keep in mind that for virtual browsing, you need to fill in the library card number. I would go ahead and book appointment. And again, I have the confirmation page. So that is how you can go ahead and you can book appointments through PickTime for in-person browsing and borrowing, either adult section or a family appointment, and virtual browsing. Thanks, and we'll see you soon.